Let's solve a 4x4 one-handed. This is my first time solving a cube any bigger than a standard Rubik's cube with one hand. The cube I'm using here is the Qi M Pro 4x4 and it turns reasonably well. Here I'm using the reduction method for solving a 4x4. The first thing you need to do is to solve the centres, and then you need to solve the edges, and then the rest of the cube can be solved like a standard 3x3. When solving the last layer of the 4x4, you may run into a problem known as parity. Parity may occur when orientating the last layer and when permuting the last layer. I got lucky with this solve as I didn't have to deal with parity when orientating the last layer. The algorithm would have been quite awkward to do with one hand. I did have to deal with parity by swapping these two edges around when permuting the last layer, but this is much easier to deal with compared to having to flip an edge when orientating the last layer.